Hi, fifth graders. This is Mrs. Mormon, and we are about to start our first unit of science, Changes. And what this unit is all about is the properties of matter and how changes in that matter make a difference. So I'm going to be helping your teacher with science this year. I have a question for you. I hope some of you like popcorn as much as I like popcorn, because all I have to do is mention popcorn and I'm all over it. But I was noticing the other day when I was looking to make my popcorn, I have a pot like this, and I have a pot like this. They're very different. This one's much heavier than this one. What makes them different? Which one is better for my popcorn? Well, that all depends on the matter that they are made of. So if you're not quite sure what matter is, you learned a lot about it in second grade. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put a little refresher on Seesaw in case you want to refresh. But that's what we're going to be working with this unit. So one of the big things that we're going to be talking about is cause and effect. So because a pan is made one way, does that affect what happens? So scientists often think about cause and effect. And the big question that we're going to be asking really is, does matter what a material is made of? Does it matter? Does it cause different effects? And how? So to be successful today, you are going to start thinking and asking questions about observations, and data you are going to collect. Now you may be asking, what observations? What data? Aha! So here is your challenge today. So with parental supervision, or at least parental approval, permission, I want you to find 2 different pans in your house, and I want you to boil some water. I want you to make some observations about that water, and I want you to collect some data about that water. What do the pans look like? What does the water look like when it's boiling? How long does it take to boil? Which one's faster, or are they both the same? Those are the kind of data that I want you to collect. Observations. You might want to take a picture. You might want to do a drawing in your notebook. And some of your data, find something to put on Seesaw about this. Now, no worries. If your parents aren't home and you don't have permission to use the stove to boil water, then don't do it. I have something else for you to do. Just as important. I want you to go on a hunt in your house and see all the different types of pans that you can. Take a picture or draw some of them. Write some of your observations of those pans, what makes them different. Maybe you can even do some weight. Which one is heavier than the other? Collect some data and put that on Seesaw. I will also be boiling water, so we can always watch my water boiling later. So if you have permission, boil some water. Let us know. Take a video of it maybe. Put it on Seesaw. If you don't have permission, or you don't have an adult at home to help you, go look at some pans and make some observations of those, because we're going to need that information as well. All right, I'm so excited to talk about how matter is changing. We're looking at its properties and seeing if, because it's different, we get different effects. So today, observations and data, and we'll talk about it when your class meets. All right, have fun.